Hi children, today we can discuss electricity and circuits part 2. In the last class we have discussed about an electric cell and a bulb. Now we can discuss electric circuit. Electric circuit is a closed path along which electric current can flow. To make a simple electric circuit, we need electric cell, bulb and wire. To make this electric circuit, we have to connect two wires with the two terminals of battery, and the same way two other wires we have to connect to the two terminals of bulb also. Now we can see that two terminals of the electric cell are connected to two terminals of the bulb by electric wires, and the bulb is glowing. Why the bulb is glowing here? Electric current will flow through the wires and the bulb will glow. So what is electric circuit? Complete path from one terminal of an electric cell through the bulb and back to the other terminal of the electric cell is known as electric circuit. So we can say that electric circuit is a closed path along which electric current can flow. Here we can see that there is no gap between the bulb and electric cell. The electric circuit provides a complete path for electricity to pass between the two terminals of the electric cell. In an electric circuit, the direction of current is taken to be from the positive to the negative terminal of the electric cell. Okay. Here you can see the direction of electric current by drawing an arrows. So these arrows starts from positive terminal of the electric cell and ends at negative terminals of the electric cell. You can see the direction of electric current clearly from this picture. Look at this electric circuit carefully. Can you see any break in the path of current? No. The two terminals of the electric cell are connected to two terminals of the bulb. What about this picture? Here you can see that there is a gap. So there is a break in the path of current, so the bulb will not glow. Now you can see different arrangement of electric cell and bulb in the page number 118. Now carefully look at the arrangements in which the bulb glows. Let us take the first one. There is no break in the path of current, so the bulb will glow. What about the second picture? Yes, here we can see a gap, so there is a break in the path of current, so the current will not flow, so the bulb will not glow. Diagram C. Here also we can see break in the path of current, so the current will not flow and the bulb will not glow. What about D? Here both terminals of the electric bulb are connected to one terminal of the electric cell. So here also current will not flow, so bulb will not glow. Diagram E. Here we can see both terminals of the electric bulb are connected to one terminals of the electric cell. So what will happen? Current will not flow, so the bulb will not glow. And the last one, look at this picture carefully. No break in the path of current. Two terminals of the electric cell are connected to two terminals of the bulb. So current will flow. So what will happen? Bulb will glow. So in these pictures we can see that only the diagrams A and F are correct one. Here only the bulb is glowing because only these two connections are correct one. So can you say what is closed circuit and open circuit? Yes, closed circuit means no break in the path of the current. So the electric current flows and the bulb will glow. Open circuit means we can see a break in the path of current. So the electric current cannot flow. So in an open circuit the bulb will not glow.